Hi, Elaine here with WTI. I can't believe that it's canned chicken. Have you ever said that before? Well, you will when you try this Members Mark canned chicken. It is so full of great chicken breast chunks. You're gonna love this because it's so easy to open, and that's one of my favorite features. You don't have to use a can opener. And I love sandwiches made out of it. So I like to take and put some cranberries and some healthy nuts in my salad, and then I put it on a nice flatbread with cheese, and look how delicious it looks. And it tastes delicious also, a great lunch. I love that it's in water. It is really fresh and it's delicious. I know you'll love it too, and that's just my point of view.